Alright, hello again. Literally just arrived in Prat. The train station is just basically behind this wall. I mean, that's probably the back of it. Yeah, and it's not very far from the airport, which is over there. This is one of the reasons I've come. I'm just staying the night. My flight is tomorrow. So I thought I'd come to a new area, Prat. And this, what do you call it, derelict kind of wasteland is right next to the station. And well, from my other vids you've seen, I'm probably quite into these type of areas. Always interesting to film. Have a quick look. But yeah, I always seen this wasteland before. Grabbing the bus from the airport, it drives past on that motorway in front of me. Well, you can't see the cars. Oh yeah, I've always been intrigued to come and have a look. There's a hole in the fence there, that's how I got in. I think there are proper entrances, because look, it looks like there's proper walkways. There you go, he's come on a bike. There must be a proper open gate. Well, hole in the fence is a shortcut next to the metro station. Was it Estacio Prat? Always see this chimney from the motorway. Let's have a look. That motorway kind of in front of me. Some of this could be a good kind of, I don't know, doing a cowboy film, sort of western location.